Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm back in China, back in Shenzhen. It's a beautiful, lovely day here in Shenzhen. The weather's perfect. It's a lovely day for a ride. I'm here in front of the newest NIO house in Shenzhen, one that I've never been to before. And today I'm going to test drive the NIO ET5. Now the NIO ET5, I've seen it like a million times. I saw it at the Suzhou NIO Day when they launched it. I saw it at Berlin launch event. I saw it in Norway. I saw it at tons of different places. But I've never actually been inside one. I never got to drive one. I never got to sit inside one. It's always been completely locked down. So finally I get my chance. So we're gonna hop in there. We're gonna check out the ET5, maybe ES7 if they got it, and see what else they have, and go on a test drive. So let's go. All right, so we got the blue ET5 here and the pink one. I think these are both like exclusive ET5 colors, right? Oh, and we got purple interior, which actually looks kind of dope. I kind of like it. Not gonna lie. First time to sit in an ET5. Interesting. It's basically like, as I'm sure all you probably already know, it's basically like a stripped down ET7. More basic materials, a little bit smaller, but it looks fundamentally the same. It's really nice. Any difference from the ET7? That's the same, should be, yeah, open from both sides, beautiful. I don't know if this is a problem with this car or what, but this doesn't look that great. Anyway, what else? So sitting in this car for the first time, it's very much like the ET7. Obviously I haven't got to drive it yet, but it's not that different really. It's a little bit smaller, feels a little bit cramped in here. Even this rear view mirror right here seems a little bit low. I'm not sure, I'm just kind of getting the lay of the land here, but everything feels great. It looks nice. It's got kind of like a rubbery feel everywhere instead of the more luxurious rattan or whatever it's called in the ET7. In the ET7 we have up here, we have like the recycled wood rattan, I think that's what it's called, and here we have it, but in this ET5 it's just more like plasticky, rubbery type materials, but it still feels pretty nice. Right here we have a really rubbery side material, which also feels soft, like a soft rubber, but again, not quite as nice, obviously, as an ET7. And we have no heads-up display. Other than that, I mean, this car feels great so far, obviously. Again, haven't driven it. Then we have the soft kind of felt, I think it's like Alcantara or something. Let's go look at the other ET5, the blue one over there. First, I'll show you how to exit the car. It's right here. So slightly different. ET7 is just like a button here. This one's on top. Still have the soft closed doors. That's good. Yeah. Oh, so loud. I like this color better. It's more suitable. Although these seats right here, I don't know if you can see that, kind of weathered already, which is not a good sign. Hopefully that's not a common problem across all the ET5s. I like this brown better than purple. Looks good. Ow. Looks good. Ow. Oh my god. Ow. Oh. I think the seat's too far close. Oh, I gotta move it back. Ow. 哪个颜色是最好卖？ET5的话是那个粉，就这个粉。这个吗？还有那个 blue 对吗？那个蓝色。对，还有另外一个的话是那个灰色。哦。
So the bathroom is right here.
Yep.
And then right next to it, we have a chamber, which is like a tiny meeting room.
And can play video game or?
We don't have video games here just yet.
Okay.
But then you can reserve
this
little cozy space for you to have a meeting, and once in a while we do have some board games taking place right here, and you can feel free to sign up through the app.
Cool.
Which you already have.
I have. Thank you. Okay.
And then if you would like to use this meeting room, you can feel free to reserve this with me.
Okay.
Or I think that's the only photo as of the moment.
Just with you?
Well, with anybody.
Okay.
Have my,
gotcha.
we WeChat accounts and to make a reservation here. And then right here we have a Joy Cam for the kids.
I don't want to film a kid, so it's okay.
If you have any
I don't have any kids now. Thank goodness.
And then at the long table we have activities taking place like really frequently.
Okay.
As you can see, they're creating their own.
Hello.
Pocket for the keys, the car keys.
Oh, okay. The key fob.
That's
nice.
lovely.
Is that a sheep? 白羊还是?
Rabbit.
That's a rabbit?
That's a rabbit.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
This is the year of the rabbit.
But it doesn't look like a rabbit, does it? Oh, now that looks like a rabbit.
Also comes in different rabbits.
Yeah, that looks like a rabbit. Okay. Okay, cool.
And sometimes we have like 2 days ago we have a donut activities for the kids and they can decorate their own donuts.
Oh, that sounds good.
And we also have.
Can adults do that or not?
Of course.
Okay.
And then this is our living room area.
Okay.
It's pretty cozy. You can just walk in and have a cup of coffee.
Where are you from?
I'm here. I'm local.
No way. I'm back here in my comfort zone here in China with my NIO House, my NIO Signature Drink, everything just like before. So this is the newest Shenzhen City Signature Drink. This is a wind and sea, cloud sea, and it's tea and melon, and it is honey. I look like Hitler. Oh, that's really nice. That one's good. I give that one a good grade already. That one's so good. Like a flask type thing that comes with it. So they recommended we drink that first. So that's kind of like a bitter, kind of a normal tea taste, like a green tea. Then you got the honeydew melon here. I could drink that all day. That's one of the top NIO House drinks of all time.
Not on that now.
I am on a diet. You drink the rest. And they don't have the Biscoff cookies anymore. Now they have NIO cookies. So they're making everything vertically integrated here. Let's try the NIO cookie. Looks okay, I guess. There's no Biscoff, that's for sure. And one thing they gave us is a gift, a NIO House badge based on this here NIO House, this brand new one. So that's a cool thing that they do here in China. A lot of times, as you've seen before, I get special gifts at different NIO Houses. So more stuff for me to put in a drawer. I'm really ready to drive this car though. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's where I got it. Oh my God. Somebody's very small person. Okay. All right, first time to drive an ET5. This is gonna be fun. 这个车你座位是比较高。
对，你这个应该是调最低的。
啊，对，现在已经调了最低的，
对，
那是很高。So, where should we go? 我们去哪里？
中心路。
你觉得最大的跟那个 ET7最大的差别是在哪里？
在这可能后排也要清查一些。最大的差别可能就 ET5，它可能整体的一些开起来的性能啊，或者说操控性啊，会比 ET7会更好一些。对。
但是现在这个车是最好卖，对吧？
对，我们时速尽量控制在120以内。我看你感觉好像准备开赛车的感觉。
All right, so my first impression driving this car is that really, it's really high in the seat, and this is also kind of low, the mirror. Okay. Okay, and so one thing I always see in YouTube videos is people don't know how to make No Me Be Quiet. So here, all you gotta do in the main navigation screen, you click on the gear right here and you click mute on the left, and now she's gonna shut up. And so I don't understand why everybody on YouTube has a big problem with making No Me shut up, because now she's quiet. I just turned her off. It's so easy. People are always digging through menus, pushing buttons. No, 这里对吧? Hopefully we can do a little bit of turning, a little bit of driving, a little bit. All right, okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that's actually pretty fast. That feels a lot faster. It feels 那个感觉是比 ET7 快一点点，因为比较 like the suspension is more 那个驾驶模式 0到100是多快？
如果去最快的话是4秒。
但是这个模式 comfort
这
mode
个7.9。
7.9。But the feeling is still pretty fast.
对，
也
它会
感觉
比预测的。
So I'm going to floor it again right here in Sport Plus mode. It should be 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 4 seconds flat. But it feels fast. Like it really feels faster than the ET7. I think just because the suspension in the ET7 is just so smooth. Like you don't feel like a jolt. Like this feels more like a Model 3, like Tesla 的感觉 or Model Y 的感觉。ET7 是那个黑色。
120好了。
That's pretty fast.
对。
不要担心。
没有，我就是对，只要是控制在120以内就可以了。
那现在我觉得 ET5 最大的问题是没有 HUD， 没有 HUD。
对，很多人也有说这个。
这个很方便，你不需要听 NOMI， 不需要那个导航，就是在这里可以看到。那还有其他的跟那个 ET7 区别啊？
区别的话，如果是说从内饰的说法，那肯定 ET7 会更加高级很多。然后另外这个主要是这种豪华。
So I'm gonna try to move a little bit. Nice, okay. Actually, this car's pretty great. It's a lot of fun to drive. It doesn't feel, the suspension doesn't feel that stiff. It feels sporty, but not that stiff. It feels smooth. I like it. Oh, here's a bump right here. Let's see how it feels. Oh, nice. It's still really smooth, even going over these bumps. All right, so I don't get to do much really testing the handling of this car or anything, but we're gonna see how the turning radius here is on this U-turn. Oh, this guy's making a U-turn too, from way downtown. Okay, buddy, here we go. There's a Lee over there. Oh, that's good. That is a lot smaller than the ET7 actually. It feels a lot tighter. All right, so now we're in sport mode, not sport plus. See how it feels. Oh, still pretty quick. 那现在要等多久？订车的话？
如果是定制的话，就3到4周，就差不多1个月。
Oh, good. This car feels great, actually. My final impressions after a brief time with the ET5 is that it is no surprise that it is doing so well in the market in China. The interior and exterior colors look great, and they offer many opportunities to express yourself as an individual. For me, as a not an exceptionally large man at 5'11" or about 179 centimeters tall, I felt like it was a little bit too cramped in the driver's seat, and while I'm not really known to go out who-riding, I would prefer the seat could be lowered a bit more. The ET5 is already proving to be quite a hit with women in China, and perhaps that's the reason the seat rides so high. I'm not trying to stereotype here, but women in China, from my own experience, tend to sit very high and close to the steering wheel. The ET5 cockpit suits them quite well. The acceleration, as I mentioned, felt great, especially in Sport Plus mode, and the electric motor sound seemed a bit different from my previous EC6. It made the sound a little bit closer to the EP9, which obviously is really cool. Overall, the ride is a lot smoother than, say, a Model 3, which in comparison is a lot more stiff. And that's it for now, I guess. So thanks for watching. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.